So I'm just going to make the center for bougainvillea. I have the 26G wire with me. We need 3 such centers, and we are going to have like 2 different kinds. One is a little elaborate one and one is a pretty simple one. I'm going to make one of the simple one and one of the elaborate one, and for each flower we need 3 such. So there could be like 2 simple and 1 elaborate, or all the 3 simple or all the 3 elaborate. So there could be a mix and match of the simple version and the elaborate version of the center for one flower that we will tie together. But then I'm just going to start with the simple one. So the gum paste that I will need is like pretty much tiny, like a peppercorn size. I could just do a sausage first. And now in the sausage we kind of get the tip also very thin, right? But here we're just going to keep rolling the bottom thin and keep the top a little broad. Okay, and then we just put it on the counter and kind of just flatten it out. Just press it on the counter and kind of flatten it out. You just need to compare how small or tiny it is, because it can't be like too big. So this is the simple version of one center. Now you will be needing quite as much. You could just figure out, like, because one flower needs 3. Like I said, it could be 2 of this and 1 of the elaborate, and it could be 2 of the elaborate and 1 of the simple, or all 3 elaborate or all 3 simple as well. Okay. We will again need a similar quantity like the peppercorn size for the elaborate one as well. It's pretty simple. It's the same way. Start with the sausage method. Just keep pushing it from the bottom, narrow down the bottom as much, then get the top broad. And then press down the base, the top basically, so it flattens out and also gets a bit broader because we are pressing. So that is how this is exactly similar to the one that we previously made. And here I'm just going to do one step that will be the elaborate version. Okay. I'm just going to make 3, they are not cuts but 3 impressions. So that will be 1, okay, and then I'll make 2 here, and then the third in between. One, 2, and then 3. So that's how it's going to look. The 1, 2, and 3. And just smoothen out the bottom. So the simple one and the elaborate one, pretty much both are simple, but we just color it to the same color of the petal. So I just have a paint palette. I'm just going to get some yellow, a drop, brown, and a bit of vodka. You could use non-alcoholic cake decorators spirit as well. I'm just going to mix. Just paint it over and allow it to dry completely. So this one is done. And then the simple one, it's all the same. So, and the center is ready. Obviously, I'll just get back, make more of this, or at least one more of this for that one set of petals that we have, 3 of them, and we will put them together, and I'll show you how we are going to finish making one bougainvillea flower. We'll also see how we are going to put quite a few bougainvilleas to make a spray like this as well. So, see you in that lesson.